For Dr. Lauren Murray, deciding where she wanted to practice was pretty much a slam dunk.
This group has a fabulous reputation, and I actually know a lot of patients that are in this practice, and they all love the doctors. And so honestly, it was one of those, if only I could join a group like that. In my mind, it was almost a gold standard for what I was looking for.
Not only did she witness the quality of care at Walnut Hill OBGYN during her fellowship, but growing up in the area, the reputation of this practice was unsurpassed.
A reputation draws them in, and then they actually get to meet the physician and build a relationship with them, and then they're sold. And that's really the best way to grow a practice, is word of mouth. And so if you have a satisfied patient, they'll go tell friends, and I think this practice for 40 years has done that. My friends' moms have come to this practice, and so I almost feel like I'm, joining a heritage here that I kind of grew up around. What was nice to see is that they don't just have a wonderful reputation with the patients. This group has a wonderful reputation in the hospital with the nurses and circulators in the operating room, with the nurses on the OB floor, on the gynecology floor. They're extremely well respected, totally because they've earned it.
In her own practice, Dr. Murray wants, almost more than anything else, to establish that key bond with each one of her patients.
I want them to be able to ask or share anything, and not feel like any question is too embarrassing or too stupid or whatever. I think if they can understand, their health as best as possible, and if I can, my job is to help them do that, then I want it to be an open, easy, laid back relationship.